Hello students, I hope you have completed your work up to exercise 3.4. Now we will do exercise 3.5 story sums. Question number 1. A dealer buys 285 keyboards. Each keyboard cost him 665 rupees. How much does he pay? Okay. How much keyboards does dealer buys? 285. Cost of one keyboard 665, and we have to find how much does dealer pay. Okay, now to find it we have to multiply the number of keyboards to the cost of one keyboard. Dealer buys 285 keyboards, cost of one keyboard is 665. So the cost of 285 keyboard is equals to 665 into 285. Okay, when we multiply these two numbers we get 1,89,525. This is the cost which dealer pays for 285 keyboards. Why we have multiplied 665 into 285? Let us take another example. Suppose you buy a pencil of rupees 5. Okay. Now if you have to buy two pencils, then what is the cost of two pencil? 10 rupees. Okay. 2 into 5. Two pencils into cost of one pencil. 2 into 5 equals to 10. Now if you buy 3 pencils, what is the cost of 3 pencils? 15 rupees. Means number of pencils 3 into cost of one pencil. 3 into 5, 15. So if you have to find the cost of item, total cost of item, you have to multiply the number of items to the cost of one item. So here number of keyboards, item here is keyboard 285, and cost of one keyboard is 665 rupees. So we multiplied 665 into 285. Okay. Now question number 2. The cost of a mouse is 257 rupees. What is the cost of 352 mice? Okay. Now the cost of one mouse is equals to 257 rupees. Cost of 352 mice is equals to, again, the number of mice 352 into cost of one mouse. Then we will get the answer, and answer is 90,464. You have to show this multiplication in your notebook. Okay. Now question number 3. A canning factory turns out 568 bottles of jam in a day. Means a factory produces 568 bottles of jam in a day. Now how many bottles will be produced in 297 working days? Okay. Now you have to find the total number of bottles produced in 297 working days. Now number of bottles produced by factory in one day is 568. Okay. And the number of bottles produced by factory in 297 days. 568 into 297. When we multiply 568 by 297, we get 1,68,696. So answer is 1,68,696. Okay. You have to do this exercise up to question number 6. Okay. Now estimating product. What is estimation? Means near about value. Okay. In Hindi, अंदाज़ा लगाना. Okay. Of any number. Suppose there is a number 98. Okay. And 98 is near about 100. So ये किसके पास है? 100 के. Okay. So estimating 98, estimating value of 98 is 100. Okay. Now there are two types of rounding off. ठीक है. Okay. Estimating product. by rounding off to the nearest 10 means nearest 10. Suppose there is a number 76. We have to round off this number to nearest tens. Means nearest tens means 70 or 80. Nearest tens of 76 are 80 and 70. But we have to round off to which number? First we have to check the ones digit. Here ones digit is 6. If ones digit is greater or equal to 5, okay, greater or equal to 5, then we will round off to greater number means 80. Okay, so 76 round off to 80. Now 18. Here ones digit is 8, greater than 5, so we have to round off nearest. We have to round off 18 to 20. Okay, nearest 10 to 18 is 20. When we multiply 80 into 20, we get 1600. Only we have to multiply 8 by 2. 8 2s are 16, and there are 2 zeros, so we put 2 zeros after 16. Now in question number 2, 65 into 32. Now here 65, 5, so we will round off to this number to greater value. Means there are two options to round off this number, 60 or 70. Okay, but 5, here one's digit is 5, so we have to round off this number to 70. Okay, and in second number 32, one's digit is 2. Okay, it is less than 5, so we will round off this number to lowest number, means lowest 10, means 30 round off to 32, round off to 30. Okay, now when we multiply 70 by 30, we get 2100. 7 3s are 21 and 2 zeros after this. B part, by rounding off to the nearest 100. We have to find this product by rounding off to nearest 100. In nearest 100, we have to check the last two digits. If it is 50 or greater than 50, then we will round off this number to higher number. Means if 453, okay, 453 will round off to 500. Okay, 152, last two digit is 52, so it is greater than 50, so we will round off this number to 200, greater than this number. And nearest 100 value to 152 is 200, and nearest 100 to 453 is 500. When we multiply 500 to 200, we get 1 lakh. Okay, now 643 into 549. Here 43 is less than 50, so we will round off this number to lower 100, means 600. Okay, if it is greater than 50, then we will round up this number to 700, but 43 is less than 50, so we will round off this to 600. Now 549, last two digit is 49, and it is still less than 50, so we will round off this number to lower 100, means nearest lower 100 to 5, nearest 100 to 549 is 500. Now when we multiply 600 to 500, we get 3 lakh. Okay, now part C, by rounding up one number and rounding down the other number to the nearest 10. Okay, we have to round up the one number and rounding down the other number. 85. Okay, if we round up 85, we will get 90. Rounding up means we have to round up the number to greater 10. Okay, nearest 10 after 85 is 90, and 42, we have to rounding down the 42, and nearest 10 after rounding down 42 is 40. Here also 2 is less than 5, so we will rounding down 42 to 40. Now when we multiply 90 by 40, we get 3600. 9 fours are 36 and 2 zeros, we will put 2 zeros. We do not need any calculation. We just have to multiply 9 into 4. Okay, 36, then we will put 2 zeros after 36. B part, 45 into 35. In both numbers the ones digit is 5. Okay, so we will round up one number and round down the other number. First 45, we will rounding up the first number. After rounding up 45, we get 50, because 50 is nearest 10 after rounding up. And after rounding down 35, we get 30, the nearest rounding down number. Okay, nearest 10 after rounding down. When we multiply 50 by 30, we get 1500. 5 threes are 15 and 2 zeros after 15. Part D. By rounding up one number and rounding down the other number to the nearest 100. Okay, here we have to rounding up and rounding down to the nearest 100. So first number is 463 into 141. When we rounding up 463, the last two digit is 63, so nearest 100 after 463 is 500. We have to round up this number, so nearest 100 after 463 is 500. And we have to round down the second number, so after rounding down this number, the nearest 100 is 100. Okay. Now when we multiply 500 into 100, we get 50,000. Okay. Part third, 543 into 695. Okay. 543. This number is less than 50. 43 is less than 50, so we will rounding down this number, and 95 is greater than 50, so we will round up this number. So after rounding down 543, we will get 500, because after rounding down 500 is the nearest 100 to 543. And 695, after rounding up we get 700, because 700 is the nearest 100 to 695. Okay. Now 500 into 700 is equals to 3,50,000. 7 fives are 35 and 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So we will put 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros after 35. Okay. Now remaining part you have to do with yourself. Okay. Thank you.